Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping correctly and getting immediate access. Put on gloves and glasses, then remove interior trim pieces, work from one corner, and keep screws organized. Once you expose the glazing bead, inspect the spacer and seal. You need to know whether the unit is sealed or simply dirty. Make small notes on damage as you go and vacuum debris so the repair area stays clean. When the frame is loose, stop. Make sure you have clear access to the glass edges before continuing. Once done exposing the unit, create controlled vents to the sealed cavity. 2 small 1/8 holes will let trapped moisture escape and allow drying. You then vacuum moisture out while inserting desiccant or using a syringe-style drying tool. This actively pulls humidity from the cavity. After achieving dryness, apply the fog repair solution or anti-fog resin into the cavity. This helps optical clarity. Make sure to reseal the vent holes with silicone-compatible sealant and press the glazing bead back into place for a weatherproof. You finish by carefully reassembling the trim and tightening screws evenly so the frame remains square. Test the window for smooth operation and check for drafts. If a faint haze remains or condensation returns within days, that signals a failed seal, and the correct path is IGU replacement. Measure width, height, and note spacer type before ordering. Make sure to test the resealed area with a spray bottle to confirm no leaks. If you detect weeping or persistent fog, replace the insulated glass unit to restore long-term clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.